Alright, hey guys, it's Saturday, and my name is Caroline. I could not get my video up last time, because I was so busy. I had a cheer competition, and then, yeah, so it was just kind of really confusing. Alright, so the challenge this week was to see how long you can hold your breath. Alright, I'm gonna go get a timer and time myself. Here is my timer. I have to set up. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, I haven't done that in a while. Alright, it's backwards on my camera, but I got 28 seconds. 28.2. Oh my god, I was about to die. I was like hitting my knee. Alright, and the question was, what is your favorite book? My favorite book. I like the Pretty Little Liars series. I love that series, with the show and everything, so I like that series. I think I'm on there's 8 books, and I'm on the 6th, I don't know. And then another one I got for Christmas, it's called Before I Fall. It's actually pretty good. It's about this girl who I don't know, but I'm in the middle of it, so I really don't know what's gonna happen, but pretty much she gets killed in a car accident, but in her day keeps I don't know, repeating. People say it might get boring if it's repeating, but it's something new every day that she does. So it's weird. It's kind of confusing, but it's good. And then I'm reading Tom Sawyer in literature. I'm only on chapter 1 because that's all we have to read for homework. But I heard it's pretty boring, and I hate boring books because I stop them and I move on to another book. But I can't do that, and I gotta get a good grade from it. That's what sucks. And I don't really know. I like to read when I have time. I try, but sometimes it doesn't work. So yeah, I'm eating yogurt. It is called Shibani, and it's cherry, black cherry, non-fat Greek yogurt. It's from Greece. It has cherries in it. Very good. Ow. Oh, I'm recording. That's weird. Alright, so I might as well do the question and challenge or whatever from last week because I didn't post or upload my video. So I think the question last week was, could you live without a computer? No, I cannot live without a computer. I can't. It's impossible. My name is Caroline. My channel name is Live App and Seed. I am a travel lacrosse player and a cheerleader for my school. Competition season, so I'm kind of busy a lot. And I'm wearing contacts. I can't see them, but I'm so tired. I'm wearing contacts. It's not that interesting. I don't have very interesting life. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Kind of boring. I gotta eat my yogurt. Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish up my video. And I hope you guys like it, and subscribe, comment, like, all that stuff to We Just Gotta Collab.